How to split a list based on a condition? What's the best way, both aesthetically and from a performance perspective, to split a list of items into multiple lists based on a conditional? The equivalent of. Is there a more elegant way to do this? Here's the actual use case, to better explain what I'm trying to do.
How can I do this more elegantly? That code is already perfectly elegant. There might be slight performance improvements using sets, but the difference is trivial. Set-based approaches will also discard duplicates and will not preserve the order of elements. I find the list comprehension far easier to read, too. In fact, we could even more simply just use a for loop. This approach makes it easier to add additional logic. For example, the code is easily modified to discard none values.
Iterate manually, using the condition to select a list to which each element will be appended.
Here's the lazy iterator approach. It evaluates the condition once per item and returns two generators, first yielding values from the sequence where the condition is true, the other where it's false. Because it's lazy, you can use it on any iterator, even an infinite one. Usually though, the non-lazy list returning approach is better. Edit. For your more specific use case of splitting items into different lists by some key, here's a generic function that does that. Usage?
Problem with all proposed solutions is that it will scan and apply the filtering function twice. I'd make a simple small function like this. That way you are not processing anything twice and also are not repeating code.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.